Hey, Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Men. Today we are talking about vents and heaters. So these little guys right here, they accumulate a lot of dirt and dust. I guess it's just the dirt and dust that just, around the house. But the reason why I like to clean these is because, you can turn the air on, you can turn the heat on, and I just feel like this is going to be the same dirt and dust that's going to be circulating around the house. And as you can see, after a while, this just pretty much piles up. I like to clean these about once a year. So it'll be these ones, and then also you may have like the ones, whatever type of little heater or little vent that you have. Like I said, when you turn on the heat or the air, then whatever is up there is kind of like blowing out. So this is why I like to clean this area. Once a year for me is fine. I haven't had to do it any more than that. So I do have a box right here just in case anything likes to fall. And literally all I have is a damp piece of paper towel, and I'm just going to like wipe. Also, you can use some vinegar if you want to. I just feel like vinegar just stops different things from accumulating, like bugs and dirts, because vinegar is that strong. So, and that's it. I don't want to do too much, especially with a vent. Like I said, just a damp piece of paper towel, and it's just that simple. If it gets too dirty, then I can, get another one. And then also with it being damp, it's not like you dropping a whole bunch of water and leaving stuff in there, anything like that. So if you do have some that's like higher up in the house, I'll just say, just be safe. If you don't have a ladder, just be safe. However, you have to get up high to clean those off. But just the same way as well, just with the damp piece of paper towel, or you can use a towel. And I'm probably still going to go over this with some vinegar just because. As you can see, it looks like, well, I want to bend it, but that's why I said I'm going to go over it with some water and vinegar. I got my vinegar paper towel, and I'm just going over it. I might go back through there. Yeah, I just love to clean, and so this is our maintenance love series where we'll just be cleaning things, learning different things. Like I always say, sometimes people haven't been taught how to clean, or there's just maybe some things that you don't even think about. But me personally, I think about everything, and I just want to share that wisdom with you all. And if you do have like some hard to reach areas, like you can see it's still some stuff in here. I personally have like a little tool that I like to use. Whatever it is, you can probably use a pen, you know, if it's not marking up anything. The end of a fork or something. If you do that, just keep that strictly for that. Like I have a little butter knife that I like to use for stuff, and I don't use it for food. But whatever you might have that may be able to get like the hard to reach spots. And I think this has just been there for however long. Yeah, so it looks like I'm gonna have to take a little bit more personal time in the hard to reach areas. But like I said, if you want to, you know, get extra stuff off like this, you can probably use the end of a pen, or, well, I guess it's not that bad. You can use the end of a pen or something like that. Maybe a utensil that you won't use, and just, you know, get the hard to reach areas. But it does look like I have to take a little bit more time, so I'm gonna do that off camera. I wanted to keep this video short as possible, just to show you just a quick way how to clean the vent. Just get you a paper towel, or it could be an actual towel, something that you'll use. Maybe if you got a towel to like wipe the walls, we can use that towel. And just make sure you clean the vents, because I personally feel like the vents, you know, keeps up a lot of dust, and that's where your air is coming out of, your heat is coming out of, and I say that should be clean. But it's really, really quick and easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit more personal time behind the scenes, but just with the little quick 1-2, this is what we have, and it already looks amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and Alexis loves you. Mwah.